North Carolina makes millions of dollars available to families to send their kids to private schools. This year, more than $60 million and growing. The program is known as Opportunity Scholarships. The president of the NCAE says taxpayer-funded private schools are hurting North Carolina's underfunded public schools.
We believe that private school vouchers take money away from public school dollars, and public money should stay in public schools.
The head of Parents for Educational Freedom, a lobbying group for private schools, says the NCAE is out of touch with North Carolina families.
They're taxpayers as well. They're just saying that the current school that they're zip coded to attend is not meeting the educational needs of their children.
Some 12,000 lower income students receive grants worth $4,200 a year to help pay tuition at a private school in North Carolina. The lawsuit claims 90% of that money goes to religious schools, many of which are Christian, and accuses some of those schools of discrimination. For example, according to the lawsuit, quote, to gain admittance to Vandalia Christian School in Greensboro, at least one of the parents must be born again as taught in the Bible, and high school students must have accepted Christ as Savior to be admitted. The lawsuit claims some Christian private schools forbid dancing, immodest dress, and vulgar language, and some condemn homosexuality, requiring parents to, quote, live a lifestyle consistent with its statement of doctrinal beliefs, which include the assertion that marriage is between one man and one woman.
Well, a lot of this is an attack on Christianity, people's values, people's morals, and the freedom to choose where they're going to educate their kids.
If public funds are going to these institutions that are going to be discriminatory to students, then that is not acceptable, and that public money should be available to every family.
North Carolina's private schools won a legal fight similar to this one 5 years ago when the state Supreme Court ruled in their favor. But times have changed. The Supreme Court was dominated by Republicans then. Democrats now control. In Greensboro, Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.